Adobe AE 101, Adobe After Effects for free. Adobe After Effects, often abbreviated as AE or After Effects, is a powerful software program specifically designed for creating motion graphics, visual effects, VFX, and animation. It's a popular tool used in the post-production industry for film, television, and web video creation. Here's a deeper dive into what Adobe After Effects, AE, offers: motion graphics, animate logos, titles, shapes, and text to create dynamic and engaging visuals. Visual effects, VFX adds special effects like green screen compositing, explosions, fire, and more to enhance your videos. Animation, create traditional frame-by-frame animation or use keyframe animation to bring characters and objects to life. Compositing, layer and combine various visual elements like video footage, images, animations, and effects to create a final scene. Integration with other apps, works seamlessly with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications like Photoshop and Illustrator for a smooth design workflow. Advanced features, offers a vast array of tools and effects for professional-grade video editing, including 3D compositing, motion tracking, and text animation. Here are some things to consider about Adobe After Effects. Learning curve, while powerful, After Effects has a steeper learning curve compared to simpler video editing software. There are many features and tools to master. Subscription model, requires an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription to access and use the software. Not for basic video editing, while it can edit videos, After Effects is primarily focused on motion graphics, VFX, and animation. For basic video editing, Premiere Pro might be a better choice. Overall, Adobe After Effects is an industry standard tool for creating stunning visuals and adding a professional touch to your video projects. However, its complexity and subscription model might make it less suitable for beginners or those who only need basic editing features.